The pandemic has compelled many enterprises to reinvent themselves at scale and at a rapid pace. There is also a lot of challenges during the pandemic that has revealed shortcomings in the enterprise's business and operational strategy. Now they have looked at this and started to reevaluate how they work along with external service providers and also rewriting some of the rules of the partnerships. Now, this is also made big changes in many providers like us who are leading through business solutions by bringing in the talent with the right domain, consultative, and industry knowledge with a very technology mindset, able to integrate these technologies and capabilities for the enterprises, working closely with the partner ecosystems seamlessly and being able to provide the and deliver the business outcome. Now, this is pivoted many organizations like Wipro to move from being a system integrator to an ecosystem integrator. If I look at today's business landscape and really look at how it is becoming increasingly complex, there is a lot of enterprises that have actually leveraged cloud to lead the digital transformation strategy. Now, this is mainly to drive the benefits of cost reduction, business agility, and also improve the overall operational efficiencies. Now, if you look at in terms of how the cost reduction is being looked at, it is about consolidation of the infrastructure assets, modernizing their applications, and also to really enable better utilization of the cash flow. So many of the enterprises are also utilizing cloud to be an innovation driver into driving new revenue channels, looking at collaborating and creating new industries, as well as transforming customer experiences and forging new business models. Now, this is mainly resulted in avoiding disruption avoidance by future-proofing technologies that is able to design and build on new modern architectures, looking at building new capabilities and speed by leveraging insight-driven data transformation, AI/ML, IoT, or edge computing. There is also a area of the regulatory and security compliance that aligns to some of the current security and data privacies and help in new ways of working. Now, cloud is expanding. Obviously, the latest Flexera report clearly indicates that 90% of the organization are using the public cloud services. Now, this is going to increase. But one of the key things that is actually making some of the these contradicting these goals is the cloud wastage, and Gartner is actually predicting close to about $26.6 billion this year on that topic, right? The cloud wastage. Now, if I look at some of the areas where the wastages are, one is the idle resources. That research shows that about 44% of the customers' cloud spend is on the non-production resources. There are about 40% of the instances are over-provisioned one size above. And if I right size it, it would be resulting in about 50% of reduction in the cost. And the last one of the wastage is about unattached volumes, where resources have got detached from the infrastructure that they are created to support. And that is, if done right, we can actually achieve about 35% of the savings. So if I really look at it and look at from an enterprises to improve their business performance, it can be achieved by planning the capacity estimations right, by putting a good review, audit, and optimize the cloud infrastructure, having skill sets that addresses the FinOps discipline, and also to start leveraging intelligent tools for driving the auto scaling that is needed to leverage cloud resources at the right manner. Now, if I have to conclude in terms of what's the way to efficiently use the cloud services and bring the immediate and tangible financial benefits, I see that for it to be successful, we need to bring together the various disciplines of governance, architecture, operations, product management, finance, and operational, and I would say the application development.